Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A Parisian apartment dressed in moody blooms. Okay, imagine this. You stumble upon a classic Parisian apartment, all high ceilings and herringbone floors, but instead of being all white and airy, it feels like a secret garden at midnight. That's the magic we're conjuring today. We're wrapping its rooms in the most beautiful Moody floral wallpaper in a deep navy and creamy white palette. It's not about creating a dark cave, but a deeply romantic and enveloping sanctuary. Think of it as the sultry, sophisticated cousin of a typical bright, floral-filled space. This is for those who believe cozy can be dramatic and elegance can have a serious edge. Ready to step inside? Let's explore. First impressions count even in Paris. While we can't repaint the building's gorgeous creamstone facade, we can set the tone right at the private courtyard or balcony. Picture a cast-iron bistro set in black, softened by pillows in navy and cream stripes. We'll add potted olive trees or boxwoods for green structure, and let climbing ivy or a single fragrant white jasmine trail up the wall. The vibe here is a subtle hint of what's inside. A little formal, a little wild, perfectly Parisian. It's that quiet, leafy prelude to the drama within. Welcome in. This small but mighty space is where the theme truly lands. We're papering every wall in that lush navy floral print, making the ceiling feel sky-high. A sleek gilded console table acts like jewelry against the dark backdrop, holding a simple cream vase with fresh, deep red tulips. The herringbone floor stays bare to shine, but we'll add a small worn Persian rug with hints of navy. A dramatic black lantern-style pendant light casts a warm, flickery glow. You should feel instantly transported, like you've stepped into a novel. This is the heart of the apartment, where the wallpaper really sings. We'd likely feature it on a single statement fireplace wall to keep it from feeling overwhelming. Sink into a deep cream-colored linen sofa, piled with velvet pillows in navy and dusky pink. Darkwood bookshelves will be stuffed with well-loved books, and we'll choose a vintage-inspired brass floor lamp for reading. The key is balancing the pattern with rich, solid textures. Think a chunky knit throw and a worn leather armchair. It's moody, yes, but utterly inviting for a glass of wine and conversation. Here we're going for pure cocoon-like romance. Imagine the wallpaper enveloping the room, even on the ceiling for a truly dreamy effect. The bed is a sanctuary. Crisp white linen sheets, a heavy navy quilt, and a towering upholstered headboard in cream. Bedside tables are dark wood with simple brass lamps, their light soft and low. We'll keep window treatment simple. Maybe just cream silk blinds, to let Parisian light filter in. The goal is a retreat that feels both dramatic and incredibly peaceful, a true hideaway from the city buzz. Dinner parties here will be unforgettable. We're papering all 4 walls to create an intimate, salon-like atmosphere. A substantial, reclaimed oak table grounds the space, surrounded by mix-and-match chairs, perhaps some in navy velvet. Overhead, a stunning cascading bistro pendant in smoked glass or black metal makes a sculptural statement. We'll dress the table with heavy creamware plates, navy napkins, and a low, overflowing centerpiece of white hydrangeas and greenery. It's elegant, a bit bohemian, and perfect for long, lingering meals. We'll temper the drama here for practicality, but not abandon the theme. Instead of full wallpaper, we might use it as a backsplash behind open shelving, or in a small pantry nook. Cabinetry would be classic shaker style in an inky navy or deep green, with brass hardware. Cream marble counters keep it light, and open shelves display white dishes and copper pots. The real charm comes from the details. A navy runner, a small vase of herbs on the windowsill, and a vintage poster on the side of the fridge. It feels collected and chic, not sterile. Let's be daring and create a jewel box. Papering this small space in the floral print is a guaranteed wow. Pair it with a freestanding clawfoot tub in classic white, sleek black fixtures, and a vintage-style pharmacy cabinet in dark wood. Plush towels and a heap of creams and whites add softness, and a simple black candle on the ledge is a must. A large framed gilded mirror will bounce light around. It's a luxurious personal spa that feels utterly unique, far from a standard tiled box. It's the perfect dramatic finale to our tour.